G'day viewers, well I forgot to film the cleaning of the previous meter. Dope. Here we go, nice and clean in there. Got it all packed up in his beer box. Having a look closely, it's like a little countersink there, someone tried to drill through that. Assholes. There's always some dickhead out there who just wants to be a hero and just ruin it for everyone, don't they? Can't still power nowadays anyway. You bypass a smart meter, it pretty much sets the silent alarm. That's it, you're dead. Oops, should I do the SD? I'll save the SDs till later. I'll do the CT meters first. SD, CT. I'll do the CT ones first. I could put some screws in here from a meter terminal stockpile. That will save me jumping the wire from here to here. There, and there. Alright, those screws aren't missing, that's good. This is 200/5, so I can only put 5 amps in this one. 6x6 amps per kilowatt hour, 3 phase, 4 wire, 50 cycles, 3 times 240 volt. An ordinary SDM from 1971. You can see this stuff around the glass. This was that gluey black gasket compound I used back then that was really sticky and gets on your hands. 100,000 style on this one. This does a big time consumer. This meter's from. It's got 454,799. Wow. 454,799, almost 500 there, almost 500,000 bloody kilowatt hours on it, half a megawatt hour. Anyway, let's get some more extra wires. I should have some extra spare wires in my stash I used last time to jump these with. Have yours ready for a test. Get Mr. Clampy out here. 5 amps, what's that on the variac here? 6.3 amps, 6 amps would be alright. There we are. I'm at 50 volts at the primary going to the phantom transformer. That's 6 amps going through there. I can go a little bit over, but not for too long. It's going to take a while now. Yeah, this test will take a while. That's why I wanted the CTs. I can do it in real time. Yeah, I should have got those CTs out of storage just for this purpose. Next time, eh? Oh well. I'll just do it this way for now. Direct wiring's going to take a while, but yeah. I'll have the current transformers close and handy next time. That way I can yeah, do the test in real time. 6.6 volts per kilowatt hour, so it's going to be quite a bit on this little on this CT meter. I'll have to stop and start this test and just keep an eye on it. This could go for ages. I think, yeah, we've got one line, 100th of a watt hour. Is 100th of a watt hour between the 0 and the 1 on this one. Yeah. Because it's direct wired, see, so I've got a bit of calculating to do. Yeah, where's the terminal cover off that one? It's in one of the boxes. The terminal cover for that's in one of the boxes. Let's have a look here. Say longer terminal cover. Which meter did this come off? K80 and K40. Doesn't tell me the number on that one. There's terminal covers off some of the other emails and SDs. That's off that one. Yeah. Nice and slow, this one. This is where the CTs are definitely come in handy. Oh, I'll stop the video for a bit, just can go for ages. There we go. Stop test. Oh yeah, we got pretty good. Let's go divide that reading now, which should be divided by 4, I think, in this one. Most of them are divided by 4. 200/5, so a bit, yeah. Yeah, that's about right. Anyway, definitely need to get those current transformers out to do a proper test on these CT meters. But let's give it a clean. Okay, viewers, it's all nice and clean. Here's the last one here, but previously I forgot to film the cleaning process of this one. It came out quite well, it looks quite new. I'll pull it out this time and show you a detailed look. There's a gear box here which I've strengthened up with tape to put these meters in, so I've got to make some good packing boxes for these meters. I'll have to part out that sharp and little Centrex TV. Part those out because they're taking up too much space in the container. They're only SPC TVs anyway, so they're going to be part sets as usual to make room for more meters. It's got a bit of scuffing on this one. It's got the different backing on this one, see? These backings are different. These modern ones, the later ones, especially the digital ones they've got this style of backing on them. Well, for these older ones, it's just got those screws. But these newer ones, you have a nut there. It's different. They came out pretty good. Bit of detail. Look at the bloody countersink. Someone with a drill. Idiots. Hey. Anyway, nice and clean. Beautiful. You can see the little scrape marks here. The dial pointers have been scraping a bit at some point. But I can see, oh there we go. Where they're moulded, on the one side there, and that side, the tip of my finger, that very side, there's a bit of plastic over mould. They didn't trim it, and that's been hitting and scraping against the back of this, the front of the faceplate. Interesting. They never trimmed the over mould bit off the plastic of the needles, and they just left them there. And when they turned around, you can see the wear they've done. Wear a little bit, tiny bit there. Wear marks on the aluminium. Wow, they've been around a few times to do that. The terminal cover's in there too for that meter. It's a longer one. Anyway, up next we'll do this one next. Thanks for watching.